What is up? Today is Monday, the 10th of February, 25. And right off the bat here, CLF, which is in the Tasty Trade account, or Trading the Tasty Way, has jumped up huge over the weekend. It's up like 16% or something. And I went from positive P&L of like $8 to now I'm down $5. So this kind of downfall with the Tasty Trade system, if you ask me, there's the overnight moves or the weekend moves will really get you. But anyways, they say you need to roll one side or the other once it hits about 10 deltas, and this is nearly double that at 19 and a half. So with that said, the market closes here in about 10 minutes, so let's get this sucker rolled out. And right now it looks like the call side is getting pressure because, again, the stock is up like 17.3% now. So that's a huge move. Luckily, this is a low ticker stock, or else that'd be a lot of money. Anyways, so we come in here to trade, and there are earnings coming up here in like 2 weeks, but we'll close it out before we get there, I guess. But for now, just going to come here and roll up the put side. So buy that one back. And then let's see, we need to get at least 10 more deltas. So that's the 4 delta, 9, that's only 5. I guess we're coming up here to 18. So that'd be like 14 deltas. And we'll short that one. And there you go, 14.16 deltas, get a credit of about $20, and we will see. Wrong account. All right, now we're all set. Claims it's got a P50 of 90%, pop of 78%, and then claims it's gonna open up $20 of buying power. So here we go. Oh, I already have a closing order. Cancel that. All right, third time's a charm. Here we go. All right, got filled right away at 20 cents. So here we go. Now I'm at the 10.14 instead of the 8.14. And earnings on the 24th, what's today, the 10th? So yeah, 2 weeks. Probably just have to wait it out now for 2 more weeks and see what comes back, if anything. And over here on the option chain, you can see grand total, I'm down $6. As for that, last week I made a few trades. It seemed like the bottom was in. So SPX, let's see, 4, 5, this 7 and 8 trade I made 5 days ago and 3 days ago. It's just, I sold 2 more put spreads, which are long on the market. And so far that's paying off. This one was in the, let's call it like 40, 45 day range. But then this one went out to the next expiration, monthly expiration for April, where this is March. And these are March as well. So yeah, I did that and those in SPX last week. Oh, and then I finally realized, or I was at least sick of watching the Sweet Bobby hedge just slowly melt away. So I also, instead of just selling a naked put, which is what I was looking at the whole time, I went out to the same long expiration, which was about 100 days when I put it on. And I sold a put spread for, what was this? Cost, trade price, 805. So like $40 is what I got for it, because he times that by 5. And yeah, so now I got a little bit of income being generated in this account versus just all of the Sweet Bobby hedge. And in theory, that's okay, because you come in here to this little risk analysis tool and Oops. Check everything, refresh, and in theory here, you know, if you go way down and IV only goes up 10%, I'd still lose money, but in theory, I could go down 4%, be up 10 bucks, go down 8%, I'd be down 25, but that's if no IV increase. That whole Volmageddon event, it went up like 45% in one day. So assuming that's what this means, I mean, I'd be up 537 or 600 bucks. That last time it dropped about 4% in one day. So this claims that I'd be up $537, but we'll see. Yeah, anyways, according to this, I'd be covered. Go to points, 45% would be like what, 10 points or something? Gives a drastically different number. But I don't know. In theory, the damage would be very minimal for the entire account. So I guess that's what matters. All right, that's a quick update. I had a lot going on last week apparently and was too busy to make a video. And these dogs over here are barking. I'm kind of busy again this week apparently. So, all right, thanks for tuning in and I'll see you later.